In this video, we show how to replace the processor and heatsink in a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud removed from the system, to remove the heatsink and processor assembly, loosen the first nut a few turns and then loosen the one directly diagonally opposite from it all the way. Then loosen the remaining nuts and then return back to the first one to finish loosening that one. Then lift the anti-tilt wires to the unlocked position and then lift the heatsink and processor out of the system. To install a heatsink and processor assembly, align and lower into the system and then lower the anti-tilt wires to lock it in place. Then tighten the first nut a few turns, followed by the one directly diagonally opposite, and return back to the first nut and finish tightening that one. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.